In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lie on the acupressure set safely on your stomach to release any bloating or stomach ache. So just place the mat in front of you and take your hands either side, just beyond shoulder width apart. Come onto your knees, lifting the chest and really slowly tucking the elbows in. Lower yourself all the way down, making sure your head and chin are above the spikes. When you arrive, if you feel comfortable, make a pillow with your hands, resting your head all the way down. Start to wiggle the hips. And then you can just lie here, letting the acupressure set do the work, releasing all the muscles in the belly. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale out. And you can hold here for 5 to 10 minutes just to really release and get the most out of the mat. To safely come out of this position, take your hands back either side of your shoulders, just a little bit wider than the mat. Lift yourself up onto your knees and then just walk yourself all the way back to a comfortable seated position.